Welcome, Wisconsin's landscaping business owners. We're excited to introduce to you the Cub Cadet PRO X 600, a game changer in the world of landscaping. This piece of machinery is designed to make your job easier, more efficient, and more profitable. The Cub Cadet PRO X 600 is not just any ordinary mower. It boasts a powerful 54-inch cutting deck, allowing you to cover more ground in less time. This means you can service more clients and increase your business's productivity significantly. But it's not just about the size of the cutting deck. The PRO X 600 also delivers an exceptional cut quality. Regardless of the terrain or grass type, this mower ensures a precise and clean cut every single time. This translates into beautiful landscapes that your clients will absolutely love. To sum it up, the Cub Cadet PRO X 600 with its 54-inch cutting deck is a fantastic addition to any landscaping business. It offers efficiency, precision, and durability, all of which are crucial for your success. Find yours online at orangeequipment.com.